Meet the SHOTBOX, an all-in-one portable light studio that allows you to scan faster, capture amazing photos, and have fun unleashing your creative side, all just using your smartphone. How does it work? Just put any object in the SHOTBOX, place your phone, and take a picture. 4 different SHOTBOX add-ons expand the use. The side shot provides additional lighting on the front and a place to put your phone when you're taking photos. 4 different colored infinity backdrops create sleek, seamless backgrounds. The print set includes 12 different textures that you can mix and match for an endless variety of pictures. The deluxe tote makes it easy to carry around the SHOTBOX and all the add-ons so that you can take it anywhere. There is so much that you can do. Scan journals, scrapbooks, or photos quickly. Capture perfect product shots for your next big online store. Impress everyone with pictures of your food, crafts, and everything else. And that is just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. Scan, capture, create, and more. We can't wait to see what you do with the SHOTBOX.